Welcome, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. Whatsoever you're feeling today, rather it be anxiety, insecurities, frustration, overwhelm, loneliness, despair, or perhaps even joy, whatsoever you're feeling, reminding you that it's okay and that you're not alone, that millions, if not billions of people can relate to the same pain. We're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can come back to trust in the unfolding of life. So getting comfortable, getting in a nice seated posture where you can be aware. You can gently close your eyes. Drop the shoulders away from the ears. Relax the belly, pushing the belly outwards. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Breathing in new life, new energy. And exhaling, letting go of stress. Breathing in trust for the unfolding of life. And exhaling, letting go of worries, anxieties. Breathing in compassion. And exhale, letting go of anger, self-hatred. Breathing in kindness. And exhale, letting go of the inner critic. Breathing into the belly. And exhale, pushing the belly out. Relaxing your face. Every cell in the body breathing in. Every cell breathing out. Taking a deep breath. And exhale. Doing good, my friend. Stay with me. Aware of your posture. Aware of how you're sat as you breathe in. And exhale, letting go of negativity. Feeling negativity, insecurity, leave the mind, leave the body as you breathe in harmonious, peaceful energy. holding that inside. And exhale. Breathing in strength. And exhale, letting go. Sometimes it takes more strength to let go than to hold on. Letting go of past as you breathe in this present moment. Exhale with consciousness. Taking 3 breaths in and 3 breaths out. Inhaling 3 times. Exhale 3 times. Taking 3 big breaths in. Hold. Continuing to hold. And exhale. If your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Taking a deep breath in, holding the breath at the top, and exhale. Bringing all your attention inwards, witnessing and welcoming the mind as it is. deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Coming back into the body, aware of your posture. Breathing in with awareness. And exhale, letting go. Breathing in joyfulness. And exhale, letting go of sadness, disappointment. Coming back into this present moment. New opportunities to love, new opportunities to forgive, new opportunities to overcome. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. The color for today is white. The number is 1 trillion. And the animal is a gazelle. Becoming aware of how you feel after taking some deep breaths. Taking one last deep breath for now. And holding the breath. And exhale. Thank you for joining me today across time and space. I'm sending you a big hug, my dear friend. Wherever you are in the world, I thank you for joining me. I thank you for being a part of this videos, sending you encouragement on your path. Stay optimistic, but realistic, not pessimistic, because that's not going to help at all. When we get too negative, we constrict, and then we become less creative, and the ability to solve problems becomes that much more difficult. So if you're facing problems today, difficulties, challenges, see if it's possible to, instead of constricting, focusing on opening, expanding your body, your heart, your mind, expanding your perception of all the opportunities. Scarcity is not just a lack of something, but a lack of possibilities that you perceive. So it feels like, man, there's not even any opportunities. So day by day is a practice of opening our mind and our heart to see how actually there's such an abundance of opportunities for us each moment. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.